titled National Human Rights Institutions in Southeast Asia Challenges of Protection. Asia Center's second international conference was held on the 13th and 14th July 2017. The event was convened to examine the effectiveness of these institutions in the region. Asia Center's conference partners were the Taiwan Foundation for Democracy, ASEAN-China International Studies Program, and the Lutheran World Federation. The conference drew over 44 participants from across Asia, as well as from the United Kingdom and the United States. Officials from the Myanmar National Human Rights Commission, Indonesia's National Commission on Human Rights, along with a representative from the New Zealand National Human Rights Commission, attended the conference. The first day focused on the mandate and broad principles underlining NHRIs, as well as the limitations and opportunities they afford to these institutions. During the panels, participants discussed the central question: to what extent are NHRIs limited by their mandate, and to what extent by other factors? The breaks were very important times where participants furthered their conversations on the role of ASEAN and its Intergovernmental Human Rights Commission in strengthening national human rights institutions in the region. Asia Center's Dr. James Gomez presented the welcome remarks during the dinner and facilitated networking between the attendees. The second day honed in on the political and social contexts that constrain and inform the work of NHRIs. In the discussions that followed, participants highlighted the need for NHRIs to develop greater sensitivity towards the rights of marginalized peoples. These included the LGBTI communities, religious minorities and the mentally disabled, drug-affected populations, migrant workers, and internally displaced persons throughout the Asia-Pacific region and Japan. One of the highlights during the second day of the conference was the presentation given by the UN Special Rapporteur on the human rights of internally displaced persons, Ms. Cecilia Jimenez Damari. She discussed in particular the role of NHRIs in the protection of human rights of internally displaced persons, or IDPs. During the break, participants continued to explore the role of domestically mandated investigative bodies, continued on the importance of participatory research in human rights investigation. Finally, alternative conceptions of the role of NHRIs were also discussed. In closing the conference, Dr. Robin Ramcharan handed out certificates to the participants, who then went on to exchange contact information with each other to continue their discussions post-conference. Asia Center's publication, National Human Rights Institution in Southeast Asia Selected Case Studies, was the outcome of the conference. The book reviews the region's NHRIs as part of an emerging assessment of a nascent regional architecture that is facing significant challenges in protecting human rights. Find this book through the link in the description below.